From Banff Realty and Development Corporation comes another royal jewel on the property landscape, the Regina Townhouse at ASTER. Located at Block 15, Lot 5, ASTER Street, Barangay West Fairview, Quezon City. The Regina Townhouse is ideally suited for families looking for a pocket community that is comfortable, convenient, safe, and nurtures warm, friendly ties. Strategically located at the nexus of transport, education, commercial, government, and health centers and facilities, the townhouse is just a few minutes away from just about everything you need. The Regina Townhouse is composed of 8 units of modern design 2-story townhouses. The lot area is approximately 56 square meters, with a floor area of about 120 square meters. Upon entering the front door, you are greeted by a cozy living room. That leads to the dining area and kitchen. Also on the first floor are the laundry area, a utility room, a toilet and bath, and the garage. On the second floor are 3 bedrooms and 2 toilets and baths. The master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath, walk-in closet, and a balcony that overlooks the townhouse complex. The townhouse has provisions for CCTV, cable television, and telephone and internet connections. And because your security is of great concern, the townhouse is equipped with electronically sliding main gate with remote control, CCTV for common areas, and audio, video phone, or intercom with control of access to the pedestrian gate. Come, visit the Regina Townhouse at ASTER.